Alrighty, how's it going, guys? Chris here, or the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. What am I supposed to say? Look at this thing. As much as I would like to explain to you guys what is going on here. By the way, this is the most beautiful scenic shot I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm not even gonna begin to explain what's going on here. I'll just let the owner explain it.
Chris?
Yeah.
I used to watch your videos.
No
Holy
way,
shit,
man.
dude.
How you doing, bro? What the fuck? What are the
my
odds,
God.
dude? My guy, if you're watching this, oh yeah, he's popping a wheelie.
Oh, he went all the way down there, dude.
Here he is, Mr. Frank.
What's up, brother?
How you doing, brother?
Nice to meet you guys. I'm Frankie with P1 Racing, and this is my E30, man. After a year and a half building this thing, this is the end result right here, guys.
This might be the nicest car I've ever seen.
We're trying to get there, man.
Around build.
It's a mixture of years experience in the car business, building cars, putting stuff together, and this is what we got to. 2JZ with the E30, that's the perfect mix right there, guys. To start with the build, what I had envisioned, I think it was 2019, I saw Kaiser presented this at SEMA. It was the first E30 that they made it from like the digital world to real life. Shout out to Kaiser and Eric at LTO. So this is an LTO kit. And then the perfect mixture was me finding a car that had a 2JZ. I have a Mark IV Supra. I love that engine. You know, I love the E30 chassis, and my main idea is to have both of them together on a crazy build. And this is it right here.
You did it.
We got a 2J. We got the exhaust coming out of the hood right there. It's all titanium. Wider wheels in the rear, you guys can see I still got the BBSs there. I think 315s in the rear. It's huge.
315s on an
E30. So what I'm trying to achieve is get somewhere about 700 horsepower plus and see how the car handles. Everything underneath is Z3M. So all the underneath is a little stronger, so it handled the power. ZF transmission, we went single turbo as well. And you can see from the rear, this is part of the kit. So the spoiler, we got the rear diffuser that comes with it.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, it's just so wide, man.
Oh my God, bro.
I just love every angle of it because I'm a big fan of E30 chassis, and then with a 2J, it just made the car, you know, just took a notch up like to the next level.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I wasn't a big E30 fan until you just pulled up on me right
There's
here.
nothing like this. This is why I'm like, you know what?
I've never seen anything like this. I just want to stare at it, man, with the palm trees and the beach in the back. Look at this view. It looks like some shit out of Forza.
We're ready for a video game ride, you know what I'm saying? This is a M4 GT3 replica, kind of like that's what the vibe, the livery I wanted to get to it on an old school car, and it just, for me, it looks insane.
Bro, I need to shake your hand, bro. Just shake my hand, please, bro. Oh my God.
We modify a lot of it. I put my own taste to it and made it look like certain things. If you guys look at it, you can't tell. So that's like a racing flag, and then the wheels with this details here is like the M collars. You know, I love BMW engines, don't take me wrong. The enthusiasts must be hating me right now because
a little bit.
I have this E30 with a 2J and I had a M3 with a LS on it. So that's the next build you'll see very soon.
Oh, no, they for sure hate you.
Oh yeah, 100%. But I tell you what, come drive this and then you talk to me later. I have the Infinity Dash, Infinity ECU. Most E30s you get, man, you guys know this, the dash is cracked. So the very first thing I did, first mod, was finding a dash that was in perfect condition. This is not a cover. This is a real dash that's not cracked. The shifter is not a sequential.
I thought it was a sequential.
I know. It does look badass though, but it's still a 5-speed tranny. Here we got the sparkle seats. We have half a cage here.
Yeah, you want to do the honors of popping this hood open for us? Oh, what? Oh, I forget E30s open up that way.
It goes the other way.
Yeah, so it's a 2JZ in an E30.
2JZ. The titanium, it's a little extra touch there. My Supra is about 700 plus 800. This is gonna be about the same setup, but it's 1,000 pounds less. So we'll see where it's gonna go.
How much you want right now?
How much do you fucking want?
And you're a BMW guy now? I thought you have a Z.
Yeah, I love
What was it?
BMW. My God, look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Okay.
We got a little something there.
Oh. We're in a manual 2JZ E30 wide body cruising on the beach. What more can you ask for? Nothing.
Man.
Nothing else.
Perfect weekend. That's it.
All right. Have you seen what happened to my S2000?
No. What do you mean?
So I had an S2000. I bought it. My clutch went out the first month. I take it to a shop to fix it. They call me next week in the morning. Your car fell off the lift. Upside down. Upside down.
Is it? No, dude. Really?
Yeah, yeah. We almost took out another S2000 right there, actually.
I know, yeah. That's why I'm like, as soon as you saw the S2000, you're like, oh, you know what happened to mine? I'm like, what?
Oh my God.
It's 87, baby, 87. Let's go.
Before we finish off today's video, you have a few other cars, huh?
Yes, I do. So we got the Mark IV Supra. You probably guys seen at Irwindale doing some crazy two-step.
Yep.
And then I have a car that a lot of people haven't seen yet. I bought an M3 Need for Speed from like YouTuber about 2 years ago, and I've been doing a lot of crazy modifying, changing the wide body kit. It has a real GTR M3 kit.
So there's the M3. You currently have the Supra as well. You have this, and then previously, what have you had?
Here's I had a Gallardo LP. Just sold it like 2-3 months
The best
ago.
car ever made.
Yeah,
the best car
orange.
ever made.
It was an orange.
Oh
like,
my
that
God.
crazy orange.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Let me look at it one more time before you drive away. There he goes, guys. Off into the pier.